Today we're looking at two of the most talked about AI video upscalers available right now, Topaz Video Enhance and HitPaw Enhancer. Both promise to take low-resolution footage and turn it into crisp, detailed, professional-looking video. Topaz focuses on precision and advanced AI models to restore texture and sharpness, while HitPaw aims for simplicity and speed with one-click enhancement options. They both target creators who want to breathe new life into older or lower-quality videos without needing advanced editing skills. The question is, which one gives you the best results for your workflow? Topaz Video Enhance delivers a studio-grade experience with impressive AI-driven tools. It offers multiple upscaling models built for different use cases, such as removing noise, stabilizing motion, restoring lost detail, and even interpolating extra frames for smoother playback. The level of control is unmatched. You can fine-tune settings for every clip and get results that often look like they were shot in higher resolution to begin with. The trade-off is that it demands more system power and processing time. Let's take a closer look at HitPaw Enhancer. This software is designed for convenience, making high-quality upscaling feel effortless. You can take grainy old videos, mobile clips, or even vintage footage and bring them up to modern standards. It supports 4K and 8K output, runs well on mid-range systems, and gives decent results without much tweaking. The AI handles most of the decision-making, automatically adjusting sharpness and color balance. So which AI upscaler is better overall? If your goal is maximum quality and you do not mind waiting a little longer for processing, Topaz Video Enhance remains the more powerful and flexible choice. It delivers sharper detail, stronger motion handling, and better results for cinematic or archival projects. But if speed, simplicity, and ease of use matter most, HitPaw Enhancer is hard to beat. It's faster, more approachable, and perfect for quick upgrades that still look great. Both tools make AI upscaling more accessible than ever, and the right pick depends entirely on your balance between control, convenience, and the kind of footage you work with.